Just a quick inventory video of a camera system that I'll probably end up using for SHOT Show 2022 Industry Days to get those in front of the barrel shots when we're at the range. All this was purchased with my own cash because I intend to use this and put it in harm's way in front of the firearms for SHOT Show Industry Days 2022. It's going to be the Insta360 One X2. Purchased it with a selfie stick, the fast charge hub, two of the Insta360 batteries, a lens cap, the Ulanzi PT20, because I do intend to attach to connect the Insta360 to the Rode Wireless Go 2, because we normally do interviews while we're at Industry Days, and it's I've found that directly miking up both the presenter and the interviewee is probably the best way to capture audio, because we've had complaints about wind noise in past years. Just to let you guys know, the wind noise is just impossible to get rid of in Boulder City, because just the physical location of it, it's just a very windy area. So for all you guys complaining about the wind noise, it's a very difficult problem to resolve. Also the cable to connect the audio to the Wireless Go 2. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox all these items. That way I know that way you and I know what comes in these boxes. Just let you guys in on the price I paid for each item. The batteries are about $29.99 a piece, so two of them $59.98. The fast charging hub is about $49.99. The audio cable is about $18.70. I'm hoping this works, because I've run into problems with audio cables before not working with the certain audio devices. So I'm going to give this a try. Just let you guys know, I'm going to have links to the products in the description below. So if you guys think that this setup is going to work for you, you guys know where I got it, and you guys have a link to the exact product that I got. The selfie stick, $19.99. The lens cap, $5. The audio adapter, the Sinova, $19.99. The Insta360 itself is $429.99. And the I guess the invisible stick is $19.99. What did I have here? So the batteries, the charging hub, the mic cable. Oh darn, did they charge me? Oh, I'm sorry, cold shoe adapter, PT20. I got this versus the other one because this actually mounts the Wireless Go 2 vertically on the side of the Insta360, making it invisible with a stitch line. So that's that. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox each of these items. That way we know what's inside them. So here's the first thing, the main camera system, the Insta360 One X2. So as far as what comes in this camera, they make this so difficult to take out. Come on. Okay, so we have the camera itself. Looks like the battery is already installed in it. Let's just make sure. Do we have the battery in here? Oh. I like the way they have a double lock on it. So it's the camera and the battery. Looks like that's it, because that's glued in. Inside the box, we just have a small carry case. Neoprene. Camera just goes in there. Pretty snug fit. We got the quick start guide, more documentation, lens cleaning cloth, stickers. First thing, the camera. Next comes the invisible selfie stick. Looks like pretty much all this is. That's it. Just a selfie stick. Next is the lens cap. And all it comes with is the lens cap. Pretty much all this is friction held with a camera like that. That's it. I'm just going to go blow past these following products too. Since they're individually packaged, it's the only thing that these items came in. I figure no reason to unbox them, just show them as is. Anyway, the mic adapter just goes in the, take out the side door and just slip it past in there. The batteries did come with their individual box cases. I'm not really quite sure. Oh, it even has a holder for the micro SD card. I'm not quite sure I'll be using these cases because I typically have a bag for each of my camera gear. The charger is able to quick charge 3 batteries. It does come with its own cable. The holder, the PT20, the Ulanzi PT20 does come with a cable, so I'm hesitant to see if I even need this, because I'm thinking this is probably going to work for the Rode Wireless Go 2. But this I can always use for my DSLR. In fact, I probably will need this for the DSLR should I decide to mount the wireless. Well, the Wireless Go 2 has its own cable, but I guess I purchased the cable a little extra. I guess it's just something extra that I purchased. Probably won't need it. But that's the gear for SHOT Show 2022. So we got the Insta360 for the in front of the barrel shot, the selfie stick, the audio adapter for the Wireless Go 2, 2 batteries. 1 battery does come with the camera unit. The quick charge and the Wireless Go 2 adapter mount with a cable that came in the box with it. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. If there is something that you want me to show, as far as if you guys do have a question with regards to how these things go together, there's plenty of videos out there. If ever, just ask. I'll put together a video too. Thanks for watching. See you guys SHOT Show 2022. One thing that is pretty unnerving about this camera is this door. To remove it, this little flimsy cable right there, I'm not quite sure if you guys can see it, but it's just something you pull out and it feels like it's gonna break. You got to take out this door to install the audio adapter. So pretty much it's just a gentle pull, and that's all it is. I'm speculating I'm probably gonna lose this darn thing pretty quickly here, but that needs to be taken out to put that in. That's pretty flush there. I'll probably put some gaffer's tape right here to prevent it from moving. So it does have a mini jack and the USB. So I'm going to see if you can. I'm thinking that you can probably use the camera while charging it. So the 2 extra batteries might not be necessary for me since I do have a battery grip that I can use. But yeah, one gripe I have is they should just have it. A simpler holding system instead of this little one cable. Just in case I forget, this damn door, I'm going to put it in the battery case. Just in case you guys are curious to see what the setup that I intend to use looks like. Don't make the mistake of putting the microphone here. This is the receiver, this is the microphone. You'll know because it's oriented differently.